So my name is Chun-Xia Zhao. I'm a professor in the School of Chemical Engineering at the University of Adelaide. I'm the Deputy Director of the ARC Center of Excellence, COEMinerals for short. My background is in bioengineering and nanotechnology, and we develop novel drug delivery and nanomedicine for cancer therapies. A few years ago, we started to discuss the potential of using the technology we developed for cancer therapies applied in the field of mineral processing when I met with Professor Kevin Galvin for the application for the ARC Center of Excellence. And we discussed the idea of how we use technique using in the cancer therapy to be in the mineral processing. Metals and the minerals doesn't have DNAs, but we know each metal and mineral have a particular type of chemical and physical properties. By identifying the peptide binding to a particular minerals, is like we uncovering their codes for this particular mineral. So we call them DNA or genetic codes. And these unique sequences are able to bind and separate these minerals. So we develop new biomolecules like a peptide for targeting at mineral separations. And so peptide is just like a short chain of amino acids. And there are 20 naturally existing amino acids. So you can imagine you mix like 7 of them together, you will get 1 million of them in the library. Through a screening process, we identify a particular peptide which bond to the mineral particles and use them for recovery of mineral from complex mixtures. So we managed to engineer this peptide to be recyclable, so we can use them and release them again under certain conditions and reuse them. In this new publication just out, we use like silver as the model minerals and separate them from waste particle like silica. We achieved 98 purity with like up to 95 recovery, and we can even like work that even up. In addition to currently we are working to the like silver, we are also working on other critical minerals as well as like rare earths. And so the technology can be applied for a wide range of different minerals and metals. So for example, for the rare earths separation, currently the existing process require, for example, hundreds of these solvent extraction steps. We hope to use our technology to reduce this requirement to 1 or 2 steps to really avoiding using any toxic solvents or chemicals and make this process more biocompatible and environmental friendly, but at the same time high efficiency, high purity as well. Compared to traditional mineral separation, because a lot of with the I think the mineral grade reducing, there is a urgent need for new technology for this high selectivity, high purity, and high recovery. So that's I think the unique property or advantage of our technology. There are 20 naturally existing amino acids. You can imagine this as Lego pieces. You just randomly put these 20 letters together, so you get million of them. And then by choosing, for example, 7 or 10 of them as a chain, so you get like a special, unique, very peptide. And we are able to identify a unique peptide which binds specifically to a mineral or particle. So it's like a process you find a key to a lock. So we're currently partnering with an Australian company, COEMinerals, to really translate this technology to real application, to scale up the process for real mineral processing. Everyone have a phone, people might have electrical vehicles, and also the wind turbines, they all have this like rare earths or critical mineral there. So which is very critical for clean energy translation, and also for Australia economic growth and national security. And we really want this new technology to play a role in that kind of a clean energy transition and to build a environmental friendly and a more efficient, sustainable process for mineral processing. Currently, what we're doing is basically in the lab is fundamental discovery, but with the partnership with industry and with the support of the ARC Center of Excellence funding, we think that could potentially lead to a revolutionary change. We all know like a transformational change doesn't happen overnight. It takes years of hard work, the collaboration with industry partners, but we hope by laying this foundation in the research, and we hope this new technology will benefit our Australia industry as well as the community in the decades to come.